What if the most powerful pendulum questions are the ones we shouldn't trust ourselves to ask? When you're too close to a decision, too attached to the outcome, your pendulum answers might reflect your fear, not the truth. But don't worry. Today I'll show you a powerful, foolproof method to bypass that bias and still get a clear, correct answer, even about the future. In Series 1, Episode 8, we explored how pendulum dowsing can help us make aligned, intuitive decisions when we approach it with neutrality and clarity. But what happens when neutrality goes absent? What if you're asking about something that really matters to you, like your health, your finances, or your future path? That's when most people unknowingly sabotage the accuracy of their reading, because the emotional charge, the attachment, contaminates the clarity. That's why, in this final episode of Series 2, I want to share with you a fascinating method that cuts through all of that. A double-blind pendulum technique that keeps your conscious mind and its sneaky biases out of the picture. It's simple, elegant, and surprisingly accurate. And once you learn it, you'll never second-guess your pendulum readings again. Here's how it works. You'll need 2 small pieces of card paper about this size, so 2 inches by 1.5, something like that. On the one, you write yes. On the other, you write no. Then place each piece of paper inside identical envelopes so that you can't tell which is which. Shuffle them up, or even better, ask someone else to do it. Now, ask your pendulum the question you feel emotionally invested in. You've got the 2 envelopes on the table, and you're questioning where the correct answer is. Should I accept this job offer? What color is Elon Musk? Will this project bring the outcome I'm hoping for? So with 2 envelopes on the table, ask your question and let the pendulum indicate left or right. Don't open anything yet. Record your answers for each question first. Then, and only then, open the envelopes. So here's the left envelope. Match left or right to either yes or no. And you have your answer. You've just bypassed your conscious bias, and that, in dowsing, is pure gold. This method frees you from the illusion that you need to know what's coming. You no longer asking the pendulum from fear, but from alignment. And in that space, your essential self, not your worried self, is the one receiving the answer. Did you like this double-blind technique? Elevate your dowsing with my Tips and Tricks course module and discover advanced methods and energy awareness practices. Join now and use code INTRO50 for 50% off. Explore the course and our range of precision-crafted pendulums at Radiesthesia online. Links are in the description. Have questions? Email me at tightoff@gmail.com. Like, follow, and share to awaken your inner compass with our community. Comment below. What's one question you'd ask your pendulum? The pendulum is a mirror of your courage and truth. Keep asking, keep trusting. See you soon.